welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Gabrielle. I'm a senior in high school, and I'll give you 5 seconds to guess where I live. I wish I lived there. I live in Missouri, but not for long. Anyways, I got Chipotle, and if you didn't know, I'm obsessed with root beer. Today's video is making a glow-in-the-dark bucket hat, in case you cannot read the title. I ordered the yarn off of Amazon, but I was like, why is this package so small? That is so small, so I'm like, how am I gonna make this? There's actually two, everybody. So I have a dilemma. I was going to make my bucket hat fully out of this yarn, right? Because you want it to be a glow-in-the-dark bucket hat. But because I have so little yarn, I'm kind of scared to make a bucket hat out of it. Like, what if I run out? I don't want to pay like $11 more on Amazon because I'm not rich. So I had an idea to make a striped bucket hat. So I'll have like glow-in-the-dark stripes, and I think that would be pretty cool. The reason I'm making this video today is because you're supposed to let your yarn absorb the light, and I want to wear this to the bonfire tomorrow, but I don't know what colors to use because this is already white, so I could use white yarn, but do I want it to stand out more and use like color? But do I want it to match like all sorts of different outfits? And if so, what color should I do for that? Anyways, so let's dump out my yarn. As you can see, I have a lot of yarn. This is like yellow. That could be kind of cute. I could do like 3 different kinds of stripes. Oh my gosh, okay, this is an idea. I could do red, could be cool. Would that look like Waldo? It might look like Waldo. I don't like have a lot of red. I don't think I should do that. I'm really having trouble. Should I just go with white? I think maybe I should just go with white. I guess. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go with white. I poured this all out for no reason. If you're wondering why my lighting just got better all of a sudden, it's because I remembered to turn on my lighting lamp thing. Okay, this yarn is so skinny. I'm gonna have to use my smallest hook. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Okay, is that like cozier? Yes. YouTubers when they're starting their video.
Let's go.
I keep making slip knots, and I mean to do a magic circle. And if you're a crocheter, you know what I'm talking about. I've made so many bucket hats that I almost just have this memorized. I follow a tutorial on YouTube for how to make like the one-size-fits-all one, and it's so big on me that it just blows right off my head, being honest here. So I might just make this one a little smaller. This is literally the best part, guys. Isn't that satisfying? Glow-in-the-dark yarn glows after just 3 minutes in the sun, and the more time it's in the sun, the longer it will glow. For example, 1 hour of sunlight will allow the yarn to glow in the dark up to 3 hours, and this process repeats for eternity. Don't worry, the chemicals are non-toxic and cannot harm you. Also, while this yarn is really skinny for crocheting, it would be perfect for embroidery. Okay, this layer is normal white yarn, then the more see-through one is the skinnier glow-in-the-dark yarn. So there's a stripe, 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 stripe. Hello! Look how it turned out, guys! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have to weave in the ends, and then I'll officially be done. See, there's still some ends here. Let's weave in the ends.
Few moments later.
What? Where? Right there.
Okay, so I just got back from the bonfire and we couldn't find a space dark enough to see the glow-in-the-dark lights. Anyway, so I wanted to show you what it actually looks like glowing. So I'm just gonna turn my light switch off and then you'll see. Here's with the light on. Like, look at that. That is so cool, guys. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one.